that?
Mickey.
Oh, Mickey.
Yay.
Was Mickey here? Oh boy, was Mickey here? What's this, Gracie? What's all this over here? Who's in your chair? Minnie. Jack, look who's in your chair.
Look at up there. Look up here.
Oh, Mickey's upstairs.
See Mickey upstairs?
Oh, Jack.
He's up there.
Hey, Jack, look who's this? Gracie. Over here. Hi, Mickey and Minnie.
Okay, we have a string long enough.
Oh, yeah.
They love you.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Wow, give Mickey a high five. Yeah, give Minnie a high five. Yeah, good job, Mickey and Minnie. Yeah. You want to give Mickey a high five, Gracie? Or Minnie, you can give Minnie a high five. Yeah. Hey, I think I saw some more over here. Let's go over here. I think Mickey was over here.
Oh, Mom, Mickey's hitting his head.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Let's go look.
Oh, look, Mickey's friends are here.
Who's that?
Who's here? Oh, hi, who's that? Oh, Donald Duck. And? Who's this, Gracie? Is that Goofy? And then who's that? Daisy. All right.